Wait, don't skip this. Imagine your phone is ringing right now. You pick it up, and someone starts speaking English fast. You understand nothing. You panic and say, hello, hello, ha 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 ha. And then the call ends.
If this has ever happened to you, you are not alone. Today, we fix this problem.
In the next few minutes, you will learn exactly what to say on a phone call in English. Simple words, real situations, no stress. Phone rings. What do you say first?
Not hello, 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 hello. Just say, hello, this is Alice.
Repeat slowly. Hello, this is David.
Good, calm. Natural.
Now someone says, this is John, but you don't know him. What do you say?
Simple. Who is this?
Or more polite, sorry, who is speaking?
Repeat, who is this?
This is most important if you don't understand English. Don't panic. Don't stop talking. Just say this. Both. Can you repeat, please?
Or, sorry, I don't understand.
This one sentence saves you in real life. Let's do real conversation. Hello, this is David.
Hi, David, this is Alice. How are you?
I am good. What are you doing?
I am studying English. Can we talk later?
Yes, of course. Talk to you later.
Now repeat only these. Hello, this is... Who is this? Can you repeat, please? I don't understand. Talk to you later.
Say them slowly, out loud, right now. Now a challenge for you. If your phone rings in English, what will you say first?
Write your answer in comments. No copy. Your own English.
Today you didn't just learn English. You learned how to survive real conversation.
Small English is enough. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Don't skip practice. Don't wait. Start speaking today.
And remember, every expert was once a beginner.
If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and we will improve your English step by step.